How to fix Microsoft Teams app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the storage box. Over there, type in the app name, Microsoft Teams, and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Head towards the app Microsoft Teams. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now I can close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Microsoft Teams. Once app appears, download it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Microsoft Teams app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.